Hey there, Pipers. Still drinking. Smoking my Grand Batson Makers. Finally came in. The little cherry bean in it. Just got done recording the pipes and sounds of my hometown video. I'm gonna make a full length video, which will have everything kind of uncut if you want to sit through all that crap. And then I'll probably break it up for a lot of the highlights and special points and shit like that. So I'll have all of that uploaded hopefully sometime soon. Hope you guys enjoy. You got the cover on, baby. That is terrible. Were you recording that whole time?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That is terrible. I'm so embarrassed.
Okay.
No, let's are you going?
I'm going now.
YouTubers. I don't know, I feel like one man smoke driving around making a YouTube video. But this is for the Burly Man 40 pipes and sounds of my hometown. I'm gonna take you guys a little tour around the island and hopefully we see something cool. So let's go. Just left my house. We're headed to town. See if you can get a shot of the sign. Head into town. We're gonna try and look for us some breakfast and then take you guys sightseeing. That's why I'm not smoking right now too. I haven't had anything to eat yet, and I kind of want to get a little food in me before I get my smoke on. So hopefully it's not too much of a bumpy ride. Shut off. I don't know why it only makes it in 60-minute increments.
Okay, so just turn it back on.
Yeah.
There's the stadium.
Oh yeah, there's a Aloha Stadium. Our crappy rust bucket of a stadium. The salt in the air just corrodes it to hell. So they're constantly having to do repairs and stuff. And I am behind the slowest MFer in the world. Oh, look down there. You can see it. I'm gonna try to take you guys to the windward side of the island, northern east side. Really pretty. It's the wetter side of the island, so everything is lush and green. I mean, not like things here aren't lush and green, but where our farm is on the west side is a lot drier. Everything is brown. I'm ready for some fucking grub. Oh man, if one of the cruise ships is in, we can take a look at that. At least, well, kind of look at it. Those things are fucking huge. Oh shit. That sign, I mean, on the highway. Yay, and this is what you definitely see when you come to Oahu. Fucking traffic, son of a bitch. 9 o'clock in the morning, you fuckers should be asleep. It's Saturday, for Christ's sake. The town sucks. That's why it takes you 3 hours to get somewhere on an island like this. Because it's fucking traffic. Look, cactus.
Wait, what?
A cactus? Right next to you.
Oh yeah, right there.
How do you like You were zoomed in.
I was. Oh, okay.
Not me. You can tell me. Are you on? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Is it going right now?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah. No. That's horrible. Horrible.
Alright. Now, if you ever get a chance to visit, what is that? Oh, the Lobster King?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't eat there. You probably die. Get a picture of that right there. Yeah. Club 939. For all the gentlemen out there. Club 939. Oh, and then I don't know if you guys have this on the mainland, huh? You guys have that? You guys have that right there? You see that?
Delicacy.
Yeah. Rare Hawaiian shit. Now this is the spot I can get in here without killing everybody.
Fail.
And there's like
No parking.
per the usual.
The towel is blocking your shot.
I think we get when I head that way, you can get a picture of it.
Okay.
This side.
Oh, right there.
I could have swore somebody else. Oh, it's two people pulling out. Fuck yes! Oh baby, you're in, son. If homie don't just like walk right in front of my truck. Run over, buddy. What the fuck? Come on, do it, buddy, do it. Get in there, hey. Hey, sister. Timing is spectacular. Oh, this is what I call parking. 2 stalls. 2 stalls, 1 time. Yeah.
Oh, perfect shot of the sun right there. All those other times I tried.